Hi guys, Elliot here again. Today I've got an unboxing for you for my new YMCMB snapback. Um, Came in the mail this morning. Here it is. Opened. I haven't even opened it yet. Ready for you guys. So, um, this I got off of the YMCMB website. This cost me around £25. Took about a week and a half to get here, straight from America. So yeah, let's get on with it. Quite sturdy packaging as well. I haven't got a knife, so I'm just going to have to do this really quickly. So here it is. It is in a brown silk box. Okay. So yeah, really nice. I don't know if you see, but it's got like a 3D effect going on with the stitching. It is a blue. What do you see? Blue here. It's blue underneath. Blue snap snapback. So yep. So it's gonna be really nice. Here on the back. Yeah. 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 So it's pretty cool there. I'm gonna be using this a lot over holidays and that. So yeah, that's it. That's my review. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.